Hey guys, this is Faisal Khan and you're watching Star Body Works. So today we have a BMW 520D F10 facelift variant from 2015. It's a diesel variant here, and we just changed the rear brake pads on this one. So we have to reset that service reminder that you get on here. So you have to press the start button without pressing the brake pedal. You don't have to start the engine, you just have to start the ignition. So after the ignition comes on, you will get those service reminders. So can you see that small button on the cluster meter on the bottom left? Yeah, you have to press it and hold it till the service menu appears in front of you. See, rear brake pads 50 kilometers, reset is possible. Then if you want to cycle down to, or reset something else, you have to press it once. It changes to engine oil, vehicle check, then front brake pads and many more such things which you can reset. So here we will now reset the rear brake pads reminder. What you have to do is you have to hold it there. You have to press and hold that button. It will ask you perform reset. Then you have to leave the button and press it once again and hold it. And you can leave it after that. The reset is in progress. And see, you can see that the reset successful. For the next 5,000 kilometers you won't get a service reminder, and you can like change other things in it too. And just for verifying, we will go in here in vehicle information, service requirements. See, everything is okay now. Rear brake pads, engine oil, other such things. So thank you for watching guys. Also like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.